Hello everyone! Today I have a press cooker for your favorite food. It's made with the stainless steel. It's very safe for cooking in this pot. It has a plastic handle. It's very comfortable to take it when it's hot. It has unlock. You can easily prepare your favorite meat, soup, vegetables. It has a silicone handle too, which is comfortable to put it on or off when it's hot. I think it will be a perfect gift for your mother, father, other staff, other friends. I think you will like it.